Good heavens. Is that all gone? She's got a second rose on her, hasn't she? I'm trying to do a fart. Got a few farts in there as well. You finish it with a fart? I haven't farted for ages. Should I put on the video in the background? Yes. Just
have it.
Is this one in the shopping mall? That's the one in the dead. That's the one in the dead. Have you seen the remake of, what's it called? What? First ever fucking zombie film, you know? Cabin in the Woods, Oh, Evil Dead? Evil Dead. You seen the remake? Yeah. Do you think it's good? It's alright. I thought it was good. For a remake, because most remakes are horror films. Yeah, it's pretty good. I saw it to watch it at the cinema and fucking scared the shit out of me. When she's under that. Yeah. Give me some money to borrow. Oh. Oh, I've had it running. Right. It's because of this fucking person on Rep Out just...